love you. I hope you have a good day. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Marjorie. Hope you have a good birthday and a good blessing. Bye. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Marjorie. I love you. Happy birthday.
Dito at
Happy birthday, Tita Marjorie. I hope you have fun. Just go kami sa good presents. Happy birthday, Tita Marjorie. I hope you all miss you and happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Marjorie. We love you. I love you, I love you, I do. I've loved you before.
Ang wish kasi ng sumikat could be to
Can you
share
breathe for the first time?
and congratulations also na now that you're a mom. And sana maging happy ka ng always and pati si baby at kasama ng mga pamilya. Lagi mo lang tatataan na ganito lang ako sa'yo. Love you always.
Hi, baby Marge! Ang aking sweetie kumare. Wala na naman si ate. Kasi nandito sa work. Kaya gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na good luck on your new journey. Yes, mother na ikaw. Ayan. Sunod na lang ako pag pinagpala. Ayan. So, good luck. Pag kailangan mo si ate, nandito lang ako. Love you. See you.
Happy birthday, Nina Marge.
Happy birthday, Marge. Enjoy your day. God bless. We miss you.
Happy birthday, ma'am. I know na ito na yung pinaka-unforgettable birthday mo and then unforgettable birthday gift. I love you so much. Ingat ka palagi. Ingat kayo ni baby. Love you.